Do you find it hard to create new content and the ads daily to bring in the clients you need right now? If you give me about 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through our method that we use to create 5 full-size ads for our clients in less than 1 hour of their time. And that's so they can keep making sales from their ads without burning out or falling behind in their content. Hello, I'm Tina from tinasandford.com. Now, since the end of 2019, my son Dan and I have been working with coaches and service providers to help them turn their warm leads into clients who pay without needing to become ad experts or manage a bunch of tech. And in every video right now, I'm going to share with you an idea that's rooted in something that's working right now. So you could just plug that into your business without needing to overhaul everything you already got there. Now, you already know that visibility matters. Your leads need to see your face, hear your voice, and feel connected to your message consistently right now. There's so much going on in social media feeds, right? Right now, though, you're running your business, you're serving your clients, you're managing everything else on your plate. And for most people, content creation itself falls off the list because it requires consistent time, energy, and creative focus. Okay. Now, many people try batching, but the process kind of drags on and often ends up with an unfinished document or a last-minute posting, which you didn't want to actually put out. There's other business owners who they just boost those random opus posts which don't really make any sense to their ideal clients, or they disappear from the audience for weeks at a time because they're busy. And that inconsistency makes it very difficult for your leads to stay connected to what you're saying and to remember you. And we also know, based on Google data, it takes around 7 hours of total content, 11 touch points, and visibility across about 4 platforms before somebody actually feels ready to buy these days. And also now we also know that from the first moment somebody sees you to the time they decide to invest in that kind of product, the average window is about 62 to 67 days. Go back in time to about 2018-19, you see between about 3 to about 7 days. That's like 2 months more than it used to be. You've got to remember that during that time that they first saw you, people are paying attention on their phones. People are spending up to 12 hours a day on social media, and they're observing who actually shows up consistently and delivers value over time. Consistency keeps you top of mind while they're moving towards a buying decision in between those 62 to 67 days. And also looking for value. Now, what do we do to support that level of consistency? Well, one way we do this is once a week, we guide our clients through a short recording session. It's usually about 45 minutes, or sometimes less. And what we do is we provide the prompts in advance, or we ask them what kind of questions they want to answer. Then they just simply show up and talk, and we do everything else. From that session, we can produce between 3 to 5 minute video ads designed to engage their warm leads who they want to attract and target. But after that, we just run these to their ad strategy using Laurel Portier's $5 a day approach, okay? Now, we handle the audiences, the campaigns, all the back-end stuff, so that our clients never have to touch the ads manager or any tech, okay? And their videos run automatically across the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, wherever their clients are hanging out, wherever their ideal audience is, which then allows your message to be seen consistently without needing daily input from you. Now, and every time someone sees one of your videos, it builds familiarity. It does consistency, clarity, and certainty. And they start to understand your perspective. They hear your voice, they see your face. And then also, the really cool thing is once they do reach out, it's because they already have multiple interactions with your content and they already know that you are the one that they want to buy from. The whole system, though, keeps you visible. It builds that trust over time. And it helps to convert warm leads into paying clients without much effort from you, which gives you back the time that you actually need to run your business.